us? I don't know.
I've refueled, but I'm only going to use a bit of fuel between now. I can't see.
What an idiot. You could see you coming.
He looked at me as
He
well.
looked at you as well.
No, forget to stop. Now it's forgot to go. Oh, this kid. Styles, man. It's a entry. Anyone going to stop to let the guy cross?
Yeah.
Get off your phone!
Talk, but don't intimidate her. No need for any interfering. This life is more than no.
There's one numpty already.
Yeah.
Barking a merc.
Working the murk, yeah.
And there's
another one,
numpty.
yeah. There's a no left hand there.
The noise of the past. It's Bushorgy's sound of the decade.
Cheeky!
Don't you dare. That one driving across the path. That's a path.
Interesting place to say goodbye to somebody, right in the middle of the road, but you know. All that power, all that just to sit there. Okie dokie. Okay.
Wink what?
Well, the thing is, that lane that he's in, turn right or go straight on, gets the green light after the lane I'm in to turn left. So I'm going to go past him in a minute. He's like a right wally. After
Fair enough.
Oh dear.
Someone's going to get told off.
Oh, they're laughing about, they're finding it hilarious.
Entering average speed check zone.
That's not great. No. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh, that's the learner.
Ta-da!
Boy said a mate driver stopped a red light. Well, it changed to red just as he got to the line. That means he jumped a red light.
You might know it as Sprite. Today, it's sold in nearly 200 countries. And on the radio, you are listening to
Ooh! Ta-da!
As they respond to growing threats from Russia as part of government plans to reset relationships with European allies. An independent review is to be launched into the water
You
industry
absolute
following public outcry
no, you
over
want to
bills
brake check
and
me, you
sewage
twat.
pollution. The independent.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck say? What the fuck say?
Surely you realise you shouldn't be MC.
Ooh, the van's not moving. It's the van that's not moving. Is he broken down? Is he moving now?
He's moving now, but he's only moved off with the lights turned red. So the two people behind him has been left at the red light.
Entering average speed check zone. Entering average speed check zone.
Next to me, make love.
And a Viper engined Dodge Ram truck. Well, so 1954 Healy 100. That is really gorgeous. Best get it home before the weather gets really bad.
Yeah, I've got to get to.
Rather nice Jag from the 1950s.
me siento pagado.
Why are you walking down the middle of the street? There's a perfectly good pavement either side. Like, what?